This is a free resource that is called Quizlet, and it's electronic flashcards. It's free. All you have to do is go to Quizlet.com and you just sign up for a free account, and then you can create and browse cards. So I have created a set of cards here to help you prepare for exam one, and I thought it'd be a good example just to show you how it works. So after you set up an account, you can access my cards. I'll share them with you. And so let's take a look. You can see right here some of the different cards that I've set up here. I've set up over 20. And what we can do is we can go into this flashcard mode. So let's just click flashcards. And we see that we can click, so health, what is the World Health Organization definition? You can flip here, and you can see it. Now, what's interesting too is you can see here where you can see both sides simultaneously if you wish, or you can start off with the definition and then say what term goes with that, and then you can click to flip it. So let's take a look here. You can also put in images. So say, name this vision disorder. So you look at that and you're saying, what could it be? And then you can take a guess and then click it. And then it flips and you can see, that was glaucoma. And then you can go to the next one. What was this vision disorder? And so this can be really useful, not only in this class, but for some of your anatomy and physiology classes as well. So this is one way to approach looking at the cards. Now let's go back here for a moment, and now let's take a look. What's really nice feature of Quizlet is you can just press a button and turn it into a little quiz. So all these flashcards, you just click test, and you see that we've got them in several different formats here: written, matching, multiple choice, and true false. Say, well, I'm just starting this set, I'm not ready to do written yet, so you just click that, reconfigure. And so here we've got the matching, we've got multiple choice, and then we've got true false. So if you want to change the format, it's very easy to do, as you can see here. And you can just do all multiple choice if that's what you wish, and just press reconfigure, and there you go. So now let's take a look. You can actually turn these into some games. So as we go back here, all we have to do is press scatter. So what scatter does is you need to drag corresponding items onto each other to make them disappear. So let's take a look here. So we come here and we see that say cerumen, we know that that's a waxy secretion in the external ear canal. We just put it over here and then both disappear. And so we can just go through all of these. Diabetic retinopathy goes with this image. And then you go until you get them all where they all disappear. So it's just a different way to study that can maybe be a little more fun, a little different. So those are some really nice things. If you want to, you can go and you can edit, and then you can go in here, you can add more, you can change text. And I encourage you to think about creating new sets of cards, which can be very useful for you. So you can see here that all you have to do is just go up to the button at the top, create a set. So you could come in here and create a set of anything that you want. So one of the things that you may want to do is take a little look here, that when you're going in and you're creating something, say for example, glaucoma. See, we have this auto-define, so we can go in there and here we go. Gotta select your language on both. So now we're just going to go in here and load this. You can see here, you can actually browse. There's 30 other flashcards that were created by other people on Quizlet, and they publicly share them. And so you can kind of go through here and say, well, that one's not real useful for me. Some of these are talking about drugs that may be used for this condition. Some are definitions. So you can just kind of look through here. Some are too basic. Some are really useful for you. So you can just kind of look through here, and then maybe you want to take what they have and sort of adapt it. So this is another way to quickly create flashcards, kind of a crowdsourcing sort of thing. But of course you want to make sure to double check it with your textbook. Just because someone posted it online doesn't mean it is the correct definition. But it's just another tool that may help you in creating flashcards quickly and efficiently. So again, this is a free service. you just go to Quizlet.com and you sign up, set up an account, and then you can access my cards or different cards. Flashcards, of course, are useful for memorizing facts. Just memorizing the flashcards alone aren't going to prepare you for a test because NCLEX style questions are very much about applying knowledge. But getting a good foundation, this is very useful in getting started with your studies, and also useful for classes like anatomy and physiology and pharmacology, where memorizing facts to create a foundation, and then where you can grow, and then you need to start applying knowledge. So I hope this was helpful to you.